Hello and welcome back to the world of beautiful machines. And today, we'll take a look at the food machines that be in a next level. For example, this apple cleaning machine is making sure every apple you eat is healthy. It plays an important role in protecting the company's reputation. This baker's savior can help cut hundreds of bread loaves into pieces without even changing its shape. Tired of cutting birthday cake and end up turning it into a mess? Here is your effective solution. With just some simple slices and a delicious layer, this ice cream maker has saved the day of so many parents. What a wonderful machine from Julie's! What you're seeing is a complete bread manufacturer chain running automatically. First, a machine hand swinging the dough as fast as possible to make them sticky enough for shaping. After having a proper form, they're delivered to a huge oven, and in here, such hot and crispy breads are ready to be served. Salad is itself a healthy food. That's why this machine is so important to ensure that the final products have the freshest and cleanest quality. People call this guitar a candy slicer. It is a machine for string cutting of confectionery products. Look at that chocolate. It is cut clean and then finished beautifully. If you are curious, these machines are cooperating on making hundreds of tortilla using locally grown organic corns, from a simple material to such a tasty snack. Is that chili sauce? No. Look closely, it's candy! After being formed, candy is cut into pieces with same size and packed. Zot's candy is always known for its flavor. It actually takes a while for the donut to have its one side painted perfectly, but the result is always so satisfied to watch. Now, every small restaurant and even home cook can themselves make pasta with this machine. After putting just some ingredients and pushing a button, we have beautiful pasta effortlessly. This machine is filling up bottles with the same amount of oil. Everything works perfectly without an error. What an excellent programming! With this industrial glazing machine, people save so much time instead of spraying every cake with hands only. A simple push is enough for you to have such cute butter sticks. And same for these Spam. These machine hands have the speed of running athletes. They pick and place biscuits in the exact same place without any mistake. Little do you know that cooking oil has a packaged version too, and here is how it is poured in. The whole chain isn't complicated at all, and this is such an effective way to make a pancake. This bread making machine is a success from Rondo. Every stage from cutting bread to rubbing it and then decorating are performed correctly. Getting bored of shredding union? So this giant dude is made for you. He looks so professional. This is where we get the same pieces of meat in just one cut. To make a pretty sausage, your bare hands aren't enough. You'll also need this machine to help a hand. And as this sharp blade cuts through the meat, it also cut this video here. See you again in the next video with more and more amazing machines.